Searchlight is like macOS Spotlight Shell. Looking for a desktop-based app launcher for GNOME Shell? Check out Searchlight, whose developer describes it as a GNOME Shell extension that takes the app's search widget out of overview. Like the macOS Spotlight or Alfred. Linux users will be familiar with the concept thanks to open-source app launchers like uLauncher, Albert, Kupfer, and, back in the day, GNOME Do. With this extension enabled, you get to harness the power of GNOME Shell's search capabilities, but without being punted to a different screen. Searchlight can show any/all results the regular GNOME Shell search can, as it's the same widget, just floating above all windows. To control what kind of results you see for queries, toggle on/off options listed in the System Settings search panel. The default key binding is Ctrl plus Super plus space. This requires more finger flexing than macOS's CMD plus space or GNOME Shell's stock Super. You can now set your own keyboard shortcut from the Extensions Settings panel as of the latest update. Searchlight in action on Ubuntu 22.10. I like that the appearance of the Searchlight interface is configurable, allowing you to adjust the height and width of the main UI, pick a background color and opacity, and tweak the border radius. You can't do that with macOS Spotlight. In my testing with the extension install on Ubuntu 22.10, I found that the Super key, one tap of which lets you enter the GNOME Shell workspace switcher, worked intermittently. Might be a me issue, or it might be a bug, but I thought I best mention it. Also, Searchlight search text is low contrast by default, making it hard to see. You can get Searchlight on the GNOME Extensions website or, recommended, install it using the Desktop Extensions Manager app available in the Ubuntu repos or from FlatHub.